Leia, can you say, welcome back to Weems Motor Co? All right, so a big part of TMMR is family, and this...
Who are you? Leia.
Leia is also one of the Weems Motor Co. family members. She is my brother's granddaughter. So yes, my brother's old and he looks gray. I'm probably more gray than him, right, Leia?
I think so. Yes. Say yes.
So, do you like riding your four-wheeler? Yeah? Does it go fast? How fast does it go? You don't know?
Very fast.
You gonna show us how fast it'll go?
You want to get back on it?
Let's go. Show me how fast it'll go. All right, here we are in Tennessee at Loretta Lynn's Ranch with my beautiful bride, Bree. Are you having a great time this weekend?
I'm having a fantastic time.
This is actually day 3 that we've been here, so we're pretty dirty. We're pretty tired. It's been hot.
I took showers.
Yeah. I haven't been the greatest YouTuber. I've been trying to be a better husband because yesterday was our 23rd anniversary.
And you were great.
Well, thank you. Happy anniversary to you.
Happy anniversure.
Thank you for choosing me and saying yes.
Over and over again.
Remember, it says for better or worse, right?
All the things.
All the things. So we're going to show you a little bit different. This video is going to be a little bit mixed match because I have not been that great of a YouTuber. So we're going to show you a lot of scenes of the things going on throughout the weekend that I was able to capture. I went up the mountain.
You did.
Did the hill climb.
All the way up.
All the way, made it to the top, and it was terrifying coming back down. I did the dirt drags.
You did.
I tried to do the kickstart competition.
However,
they said it has to be a Harley Davidson V-twin, and I think they were just scared of my bike, the judge. I think it was.
They were prejudiced.
Prejudice. So, a lot of things going on. Tonight, we're going to go check out some music. We're going to do some dancing, enjoying our weekend away. So, hopefully, you guys enjoy the video, enjoy the music, and next year, make sure you come out because we will be back again.
We will.
We love this place. It's a great time. So, you guys hang out.
All right, Jay, what do you think?
I think it's a really loose gravel dirt mountain at a severe angle. I'm running probably the lowest horsepower motorcycle going up this, including the pull start Colemans. They probably have a little bit more horsepower than I do. I'm more concerned about the return ride because my brakes are like pretty much non-existent. So when you see me coming down the mountain, just make way. Make way.
That's what it's all about.
Love it, buddy. It's gonna be a good time. Woo! Georgie!
Baby on.
That's my money right here.
This is where your money's at?
It's okay, Jared. I got your back. I'll get your video. Coming to get you.
But out here, it's just not possible. I don't know if I can do
There
it.
you are.
You know? So on the other side of that, they like to play with race stuff. There's a fellow that's damn bike here has been in Yokohama just a little while ago.
Yeah!
Jared Weems, are you here? This guy, he's about as polite as they come, but I don't know if anybody can outbuild him, that's for sure.
Yeah.
It's a good thing that he didn't get that S&S gift certificate. He's a British boy.
I would have gave it to Eric Howler.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go.
There you go. Get our picture, brother. This guy's a gentleman and a killer.
All right, so here we are, TMMR. We are working our way through the weekend, and thankfully I have a great friend. This is my buddy Carson. He came all the way out from Mississippi to hang out in the backwoods of Tennessee, do motorcycle stuff. He is a YouTuber. If you guys aren't following him, make sure you follow The Adventurous Rider. You've been doing way better job than me at being a YouTuber this weekend.
Well, you know, it's one of those that you got to get the good content, and sometimes you just got to get around, even if you're with the hop of leg.
I was gonna say, because you're hopping around, this guy, like days before we roll out here, he decides to twist his ankle, and he says, screw it, I'm still going to Tennessee. I'm gonna have a great time, even though I'm hurt, and I'm gonna ride bikes around. Thank you for giving me the footage of going up that mountain on that 1967 Cub.
I appreciate you going up there with it, because I mean, that was cool watching you get all the way up to the top, and like at the very top you almost didn't make it.
Yes, that motorcycle went right in front of me. Chicken Rick, if you guys follow him on Instagram, yeah, he decided he didn't want to make it all the way and try to take me out at the top of the mountain. But because of this guy, you guys were able to see that footage, so thank you, Carson, for that. I know you've captured way more things than I have. I just got little blips, like the kickstart competition, some dirt drag, some other things. But if you want to see more content on Tennessee Motorcycle Music Revival, make sure you go over to the Adventurous Riders channel, follow him, subscribe to him. Check out what he's doing to his trailer to make it into a camping, transportation, I don't know, like
Mini toy hauler is what I'm calling it.
a home away from home.
There you go.
There we go.
I like that.
Absolutely. So go do that. We're gonna go do some other things and check out all the cool stuff going in Tennessee.
Yeah, let's get it.
Can you say like and subscribe? Can you say motorcycles are cool? Can you say I like camping?
Fix my bike yet?
No, I told you not to bring that bike.
You never told me not to bring that bike.
I said don't bring that bike.
You did not say don't bring that bike. Because I told you I was bringing that bike because I wanted to ride the trails. How did my trail riding go, Jared?
And I said if you bring that bike, you're going to be working on it all weekend. What did you all do all weekend?
Not work on it because it's still broke.
How's Vivian doing?
Amazing.
Take it on the trails.
No.
Can you say I love mama? No. Can you say Papa has too big of a beard? No. Can you say Ariel is your favorite princess? No? Who is your favorite princess? Princess Leia?
No, it's Elsa and Anna.
Tell them. Say it's Elsa and Anna.
Elsa and Anna.
Who?
Elsa.
And?
Anna.
What movie they're from?
Frozen.
Frozen. Frozen. Frozen, people. All the way from Sturgis to TMMR to Daytona to Texas, to all over the country. I always love seeing you, my friend. Let me kiss your head.
Dude, but think about all the grand things you've been doing. You're not on just the country, you're the world. So let's put this in perspective.
Somebody's really got it screwed up, haven't they? Let me go on the other side.
Let's just make this a moment. You know, Weems, I just love you so much for the support that you have given us, because you gave me the confidence to be my light.
The one person that I would think that doesn't need any confidence would be the ornery one. TJ, the ornery one, his beautiful wife Stephanie, they're doing great things in the motorcycle community. They're bringing in a group of people who may not be able to afford a Sportster or a Honda Shadow or, I don't know, a Suzuki Savage.
Yeah, and we're going to the other side of the perspective there. You can be young, old, girl, they whatever. We're all just hanging out, having a good time, showing off the love of two wheels, just in a different form. I'm going to say something really quick.
Like Italian or something that we saw.
A rebel heart, all right? And it doesn't matter what that rebel heart is made of. It could be a little bike, a big bike, a black guy, a white guy, a Christian, a Muslim, or whatever it may be. It comes in all different colors and sizes.
Absolutely.
You know what I'm saying? That went a little over the top there, but
I love it. That's what me and TJ do. We bring it down to the brass tacks, down to the roots, what it's all about. It's all about two wheels. It's all about community. It's all about the people you surround yourself. And TJ, thank you for surrounding me with all the cool people you hang out with.
Yeah, well,
and being a part of it.
You were a part of it, and I got to say something, man. It started out about two wheels and motorcycles. Now it's about the people, and that's what we're showing.
Isn't it better with people?
Yeah.
I mean, we can get on a motorcycle and ride, and it's just you. Maybe you have somebody on the back. But when you come together with a community of people and you can come to the backwoods of Tennessee, hang out for a weekend.
Well, and then on top of that, Weems, we are very fortunate, you and I, because we have a lot of love out there. So Steph and I are out somewhere. I never have to worry. I always know it's going to work out, dude. It has.
Yep.
Yeah, I wish you guys would go check out what we're doing on the orneryone.com. We're doing a lot of cool characters. Catch up with that there. We've got something going on with the mini bike community. We're going to do an uprising up in here.
Well, if you have a custom series biker build off, I know you're talking a little bit about it.
I would like it.
Hit up Weems Motor Co. We'll see what we can throw together that may impress some folks.
I will do it. All right, hands in. Let's go.
Do it.
Win the go.